Hello guys.
Good morning, guys.
Hello guys.
Welcome back to the channel.
Today I'm
In Zanzibar.
in Jambiani,
Uh,
a village called Matiruni. I'm at the Padre.
so let's do it.
Hello guys. So right now I'm at the Padre. There are kite surfers and the beach is amazing. And it's just like hardly 50 meters from the hostel. So quite accessible. The wind is awesome. That's why there are like so many. It's evening right now. The sun is about to set, and I started my day quite late. I was partying for until like 3 in the morning last night, and I was supposed to go on a trip with my friends whom I met yesterday at the hostel, um, as they were going to do scuba diving. So they wanted me to take some drone shots and some aerial footages. But unfortunately, the boat was getting heavy, and there was not enough space for me because I need my own space to take off and land my drone. So I didn't went there. But though I took some footages of them going in the ocean from the beach, from the land, and it was good. Then I came back, slept for a while, had a good lunch, and now it's time to take a dip in the ocean.
The following day.
Hello guys, today is day 3 and I am at Kuza Cave, which is in Jambiani, with like 10 kilometers south from Paje. And right now we are at Swahili Cooking Class. So it's like a cultural center over here. So there are some musicians, and one of my friend is a drummer, so like he's going to have a jam over here. And afterwards we'll go inside the cave, and it is empty because we want to go alone in the cave. We don't want any, what do you say, tourists with us, and enjoy the cave by our own, you know. So let's see the cultural center. No, I'm fine.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so that comes when you need something.
edit display. My room sometimes when I go out in the evening,
Yeah.
I do it. When I'm not inside the room, I do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, then it's at least.
It's very annoying.
Yeah, too much.
So you can take photo. Vipi lakini?